Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm here with Rayan the Techwizard, and today we're looking at a Nintendo Switch accessory, namely the Hori Dpad Joycon. So this caught our eye because it's a Joycon that's made for handheld mode, and Hori usually make really good third-party accessories for all the big systems, PC and all, handhelds, whatever, and they usually do a good job. And because we're a fan of using the Switch in handheld, we thought, we might as well get this and see if it's worth what they say. Also, it comes with a nice Zelda design, but it's also available in a Mario design and soon a Pikachu design. As you can see from the back, it says it must be connected to the system at all times, no vibration or motion controls, because essentially what it is just a Joy-Con that has no battery. But it's supposed to be used for handheld mode because it gives you a much better D-pad as opposed to the buttons, the 4 buttons. I like how it says archives compatible, which, it's, I guess you'd normally buy this for the classic games anyway. Also, it's an officially Nintendo licensed product, so that's a good thing. Alright, Ryan, you ready to unbox this thing?
Yep.
Yeah, you just gotta open it up, I guess.
Check this out. That is this.
Is there anything else inside? I think there's a manual.
That.
Yay.
Working. Feels good.
Yeah, it feels good in the hand?
Yep.
How does it feel? Oh look, it's kind of clear. You can see inside it. That's kind of a nice touch. Like the old Nintendo classic devices. So it kind of feels...
Look at this.
Yeah, there's no... I mean, there is a rail connection, but there's no button there. There's no SL or SR buttons. That's okay, because this is only supposed to be connected, and... Huh. Wow, I like the D-pad feel. It feels nice and squishy. And here's a regular Joy-Con just for comparison. So it's kind of lightweight compared to the other Joy-Con. Obviously, there's no battery inside, but even the plastic, it's kind of not as...
This one feels more better.
Feels better?
Yeah.
I don't know, it kind of has a matte finish as opposed to this sort of soft plastic finish. This is more like a matte finish. But it doesn't feel bad. It actually looks pretty nice. So I guess we're gonna have to see how it works with the Switch. Right, so I'm assuming you just slide it in place. Alright, so give that D-pad a try. Try it with a D-pad. How does it feel?
It feels good.
Feels good?
Yeah.
Is it... Oh, that was cool. Try moving left and right, see how it feels. Does it feel responsive?
Yeah.
Does it feel...
Good.
How does it feel compared to when you were using the Joy-Cons? Does it feel good?
Yeah.
How does it feel? Does it feel good controlling using the D-pad as opposed to the Joy-Con buttons?
Yeah.
Right, so something that requires actual...
It's too hard for me over here.
Yeah, it's a hard game, but at least we can test the accuracy of the D-pad.
It's too hard in this level, but I can play in that ghost level.
This $20 Joy-Con. Who's it for? People who play in handheld a lot and like playing classics or Street Fighter or any fighting games. The Joy-Con is nice, don't get me wrong, it's a really good controller for single-handed use, or I guess as a pack-in controller, but somebody who wants a more better control while playing handheld, this thing feels just so much more better. What do you think, Ryan? What do you think about this Joycon? Is it worth it? Is it worth the $20? Is it useful for somebody?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So, would you give this D-pad controller from Hori a thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up? Thumbs up for me too.